Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video, I am going to show you how to make Drake in Infinite Craft fastest method. All you have to do is just follow me. So the first thing that we would need is water, and then we're gonna add fire into that, and then another fire, and then this would produce engine right here. So yeah, and once you have the engine, is you want to put another engine, and then you would produce a rocket, and then we will add another rocket right here so that we would have satellite. And then from here, we're gonna add steam, and then we're gonna go for engine right here so that we could produce a train, and then we're gonna add a rocket into that one and produce a bullet train, and then we'll be combining that for internet. And once you have that, you want to go place earth right here, and you want to go with water, combine it with that to produce a plant, and then add water into that. And then after that, you want to combine the two of them together, and then you'd produce a meme right here. And then the next one is we'll add fire right here, and would add swamp together with that fire, and you'd have a dragon and combine it with that meme, and boom, we now have Drake. So that's it.